Hi, welcome to English Academy 101. My name is Michael, and I'm here to help you with your English learning journey. Today, we are going to learn about the differences between a, an, some, and any in English. Most simply, a and an are used with singular countable nouns, while some and any are used with countable and uncountable plural nouns. First, we are going to learn about countable and uncountable nouns. After, we will look at the differences between a and an. Next, we will look at the differences between some and any. Lastly, we will look at exceptions with some and any. If you would like to skip ahead to any part in today's lesson, we have added video chapters below that you can select. Before learning the differences between a, an, some, and any, we need to understand what countable and uncountable nouns are. Countable nouns are places, people, and objects that can be counted. For example, 8 kids, 4 men, 12 apples, 6 oranges, 1 car. Can you think of any other countable nouns? Try writing some examples in the comments below. Uncountable nouns are concepts, materials, and information that cannot be counted. A few examples include currency, money, electricity, gas, power, water, butter, sugar, rice, milk, music, love, art, news. Can you think of some other examples of uncountable nouns? Try writing them in the comments below. A and an. A is used with singular nouns that begin with a consonant. For example, can I have a cup of water? There is a dog in the pool. This is a cool car. An is used with singular nouns that begin with a vowel. For example, can I have an enormous cup of water? There is an excited dog in the pool. This is an ancient car. Some versus any. Some is used with plural countable and uncountable nouns in positive statements. For example, there is some cheese in the refrigerator. I have to do some homework. She has some work to do. Any is used with plural countable and uncountable nouns in negative statements and questions. For example, I don't have any cheese in my fridge. She doesn't have any homework. Is there any work to do? Exceptions with some and any. Normally, with questions, you use any for plural countable and uncountable nouns. However, there are 3 major exceptions to this rule. Offer. Would you like some coffee? Ask for. Can I have some coffee? Suggestion. How about we go out for some coffee? If you would like some more practice with the differences between a, an, some, and any, check out our website EnglishAcademy101.com, where we have included some additional exercises. We have included a link in the description below. That's it for now. Don't forget to keep studying your English.